Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to take a moment and show you guys a custom build I built for a customer of ours on a Sea Ray 230 SPX. This customer did a hull color of the new Quantum Blue, and he complemented it with a dune interior. He added the sea deck across the transom, and that comes in through that port walk-through entry, and then down into the snap-in sea deck across the floor. So he can remove this easily and go straight to the standard non-skid, which is very convenient for this particular customer. I personally love the 230 SPX, A, for its layout, but B, its storage. And I'm going to walk you guys through all that. Best part about the boat is the garage. So because this is an outboard powered 230 SPX with a Mercury 200, you get this garage access where the inboard outboard would be on the alternative model. So this big, clean, fiberglass shelled, easily converted. There's a pop-up backrest that you can pivot, so you have an aft lounge as you're sitting at the sandbar with the kids. Drop that down conveniently. You also have walk-through storage here. Easy access for our dual batteries. This particular customer did select. Otherwise, it's standard with one. He also opted for the battery charging system. We do have this standard pass-through door, so we can lock off the kiddos or off the little doggies. Storage again throughout. So convenient place inside of a step. Great place for dock lines, what have you. More storage under this port lounge just right here behind the bucket seat. We do have 12-volt charging in the back there for pump up your inner tubes. We have the lighting package upgrade this customer chose. So all the cup holders upgraded to stainless with the LED lights, so everything glows nice and blue at night. Moving over here to the starboard side, I've got the built-in cooler. So this is insulated into the deck. And then as well as we have a removable one right off the back that we can take up to the sandbar. Like most traditional Sea Rays, you do have a huge ski locker here in the floor. So nice, easy access to put those water toys. I'll note this customer is planning on doing a lot of tubing and skiing with his kids, so he wanted the larger Simrad display. So we went with the 9-inch digital dash option. So with that acrylic background, it just looks like one giant screen. We went with the standard Fusion stereo system there. The tiltable helm, which is standard. And then our digital throttle and shift from Mercury for that Mercury 200, that V6 that he equipped his with. He did offer the bucket seats, both port and starboard. And because this is the 23 SPX, we do have the head option, which is very important to his wife. So if that's important for yours, feel free to look at the 230 SPX. Moving to the bow, very, very wide. Sea Ray does a great job of pushing all that space forward. So you can sit, me 6 foot, unfortunately the seats are a little wet, I'd sit for you, but I can sit flat-footed and not even touch this forward bow. Anchor storage is dedicated in the bow center. And then as well as dry storage on both port and starboard underneath lounge. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this 2021 230 SPX from Sea Ray. Again, my name is Dotson Guys from MarineMax Charleston. If you want to build your dream 230 SPX, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to help you guys out. Hope you guys enjoyed your video. Have a great day.